Welcome to this screencast. I'm looking at decomposing a coding question into simple instruction, and this is a question where we're asked to create a function. This is for GCSE Computer Science. I'm using an old exam paper. This is from 2019, and here's the question that we were asked back then. As always, I'm going to leave a couple of empty lines at the top of my coded answer, just in case I need to add something. And I'm writing my answer in Python because this is 2026, and in the current spec, let us write our code in a high-level programming language. In this school, we use Python. The keyword in Python is def to create a function. You must use the exact name of a function given to you in the question. So ticket price in one word, no capital letters, and make sure to write it exactly the same way it's written here. And open bracket for the parameters. The parameters are given to you in the question. The number of child tickets, the number of adult tickets. I'm going to choose the name of my parameters in the function I'm created. I'm going to have NBA for number of adult tickets and NBC for the number of child tickets. Two parameters separated by a comma, close the bracket, put the colon. I'm writing this in Python. Now, I've got to calculate the price. So inside my function, I'm going to have a variable called price, and it says that price is equals, so I'm going to calculate the number of adults times, for an adult is 19.99 plus the number of children times, for a child it's 8.99. Let's not forget that there is a booking fee added. So to increment my price variable, I'm going to do price equals price plus 2.5. And that's the end of my calculation. All what's needed to do is to return the total price. And in Python, we do that with the keyword return. So it's a function, it's going to return a value. And the value I'm returning is price. That's it. That's how we create a function in Python for our exam question. I look forward to reading your answers into your tests. Thank you.